One more thing, I've also used Excel to create a project schedule or a project plan. Point number four, again, I'm always going to say this, which is being able to have the ability to master communication and leadership. When you master your interpersonal skill of being able to communicate effectively with a team, verbally or not, it really helps it's going to help your career. And also finding little ways. Like for me, I'll give you an example. Finding little ways. Like I would send a bunch of emails, and I was like, man, I'm not getting any response. So I said, let me try something else. So I would send a message in Teams or Slack or something like that, and then I'll get a response, and then I'll follow up and say, hey, this is what we talked about. So you always just finding out new ways to better your communication. And I'm still a work in progress, as there is. Embrace project management tools. There's so many tools out here for project management. Just get familiar with the software that your organization is using. I've worked in organizations where all they use is Microsoft Project. Anything else will not work for project management. That I've worked in houses where the only thing that they use is Smart Sheets, and you better not even mention what a Microsoft project is. They'll go off on you.